Are you curious about what each dashboard warning light in the 2025 Mercedes S-Class Maybach? How does the cluster display enhance your driving experience? This guide answers these questions and provides insights to keep you informed and safe. If we talk about its interior, the dashboard offers sleek design and advanced user-friendly technology. The touchscreen controls navigation and media, while the instrument cluster displays speed, fuel, and alerts. Door panel with memory-enabled seat adjustments, power window mirror controls. The steering wheel is the primary control interface that allows a driver to direct and maneuver a vehicle.
Instrument cluster.
Cluster indicators. Restraint system. Seatbelt light. Occupant presence. Reduced power. System error. Electrical malfunction. Power steering. Coolant temperature. Engine diagnosis. Engine operating temperature. Reserve fuel with fuel filler flap. Parking indicator. Electric parking brake. Anti-lock braking system brakes. Regenerative brake system. ESP Sport. ESP Traffic Sign Assist. ESP Off. Active Brake Assist. Attention Assist. Active Brake Assist. Distance Warning. Mercedes-Benz Emergency Call System. Active Brake Assist Off. Side lights. Airmatic. Turn signal lights. Tire pressure monitoring system. Rear fog light. Low beam. Drive away assist. Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.